Welcome to class 7, computer science, the revision part for your annual exams. Working in Windows 7. First we have fill in the blanks. The first one, Windows has simplified the task of dash in computer. That is managing data in computer. Windows has simplified the task of managing data in the computer. Now dash view displays each file and folder on a separate row along with details like data modified, size, author, etc. Here the answer is content view. Content view displays each file and folder on a separate row along with details like data modified, size, author, etc. Now the third one, to replace double click settings of a mouse with single click, select the dash option in the control panel. So the answer is select the folder option in the control panel. Now fourth one, with numeric keypad in mouse mode, the dash key is used for diagonally left upward movement. The answer here is the home key. So the home key is used for diagonally left upward movement. Fifth one, dash is a state in which a computer shuts down to save power but first saves everything in the memory on hard disk. Here the answer is hibernation. Next is true or false. Libraries is a kind of folder in Windows 7 is true. The first one is libraries is a kind of folder in Windows 7, that is true. Next, date and time once stored in a computer cannot be changed is false. Why? Because date and time once stored in a computer can be changed. So here it is false statement. The sticky keys feature automatically deactivates itself if two keys are pressed together. That is true. The statement here given is true statement. Now fourth one, there are 3 panes in Windows Explorer is false. There are 3 panes in Windows Explorer is false. Understood? So this is a false statement. Next one, fifth one, small icon view is used to view the detailed information about files and folders. That is also false. Small icon view is not used to view the detailed information about files and folders. So this statement is false. Now moving on to application based questions. We have the first one. Ritu has to complete her assignment and submit it on the next day. Now while typing, the keyboard of a computer system has stopped working. Now suggest her the alternative or alternate to complete the assignment. So what can she do? When her keyboard is not working, you have in the computer itself, you have got an option called as on-screen keyboard. When you click in the start button, in that ease of access, you have an option using on-screen keyboard option is there. You can go to on-screen keyboard and use that option. Okay, here I'll show you directly. Here you have all programs. Here you have the option. I think you are watching here, everyone. Just see here. You can see there is an option here, accessories. Then you have here you have ease of access. Then you have on-screen keyboard. See, can you see here on-screen keyboard? So this is the option. Okay. Now next question is Meenakshi as Next question is Meenakshi has stored various files in her laptop. She wants to view all the files with detailed information including name, type, size and date modified. Suggest her the view format which would fulfill her requirement. So answer is details view. The answer here is details view. Next is multiple choice questions. First one, library folder in Windows 7 allows you to organize your files in one place. So the question is dash folder in Windows 7 allows you to organize your files in one place. The options are library, documents, computer. You should go with the option library folder. So this is library folder in Windows 7 is allowing you to organize your files in one place. Next is sleep option. Next you can see the sleep option here. That is second question in multiple choice questions. Dash is a power saving state that allows a computer to quickly resume full power operation when you start working again. So the option here you need to choose is sleep. The options given here are sleep, busy, hibernate. But the right option what you need to choose here is sleep. So this is a power saving state. Okay. Next one is control panel option, that is dash is a system folder using which we can make changes in the appearance and current settings of Windows. So what is the option? Right option is control panel. So control panel is a system folder using which we can make changes in the appearance and current settings of Windows. Next one is dash view displays file and folders as medium size icons along with the basic information such as type and size. So here the correct option is C option, that is tiles view. You have got option small icons view, medium icons view, tiles view, but the right option is to tiles view here. So tiles view will display files and folders as medium size. Next, answer the following. What do you know about Windows Explorer? The lesson only is about Windows Explorer, mainly working in Windows. So here you have what is Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is the main tool that you use to interact with Windows 7. It's used to view, explore or organize libraries, files and folders. Next, name the different view formats. Briefly explain any two views. So you may be asked to explain 2 views or 3 views, whatever it may be. So understand the view formats and learn that. So the different view formats, extra large icons. So the name itself suggests what it is, extra large icons. Next is large icons. So we have explained here large icons. This option displays the files and folders as large size icons. These are extra large, means it displays as extra large icons. So the name itself, you can get the answer. Medium icons, it displays the files and folders as medium size icons. So according to the marks, you can write this, like how much is asked. According to the name itself, you can give the answer, giving you a better idea of the file folder content. Here medium size. Next is small icons. Small icons. Name itself suggests it is small. It displays in small icons. List of names and icons will be given there. The whole list about the particular files. Then details of that files will be given. Next is styles view and next is the content view. So these are all the different things. The name itself you can write accordingly. I hope it's clear. Now next question is third one. How will you set the date and time for your computer? Click on the date and time option in control panel. The date and time dialog box will appear. By default, the date and time tab is selected. Now click on the change date and time tab. The date and time settings dialog box will appear. Now select the current day, change month using forward, backward arrow keys. Now to change the hour, select the hour in the text box. Click on the spin arrows to increase or decrease hours. Click OK. Similarly, you can change the minutes and seconds also. Now we have already learnt this. Same thing we have again the question, that is you have already learnt in the objectives. What is sleep mode? Sleep is a power saving state wherein a computer does not turn off completely. In this process, what happens? Monitor and hard disks are turned off, but the computer puts our work and settings in RAM and draws a small amount of power. That's all about sleep mode. Now next is what is the importance of control panel in Windows. Control panel is a system folder using which we can make changes in the appearance and current settings of the Windows. This is what we have for our this lesson, that is Windows, working in Windows. Working in Windows 7, this is what the revision we have. Okay children, all the best for your exams. Prepare well. Have a good revision.